Okay guys, this is a 150-year-old timber out of Kellogg Elevator in Carson City. You can see this timber is just covered with, it's kind of busted on part of it. It's covered with graffiti. It's just in really rough shape, and we want to see exactly what's inside this timber. See if we can salvage anything out of it. I think you guys are going to be pleasantly surprised. I know I was when we first opened it up. Let's take a look. Let's see what's underneath, huh? Can you see the surface of the log? There we go. Okay, nice. It's solid under there. What do you know about that? Eastern white pine. This is virgin timber right here. Old stuff. See what we got here. Trying to get a 6x8 out of it. Oh yeah, we'll get it. That and then some. Okay. Wondering if I'm going to take another inch off of this. So we'll have a board here. We've got about 10 inches left, so yeah. That's what you call virgin timber. You don't get pine like that out of lumberyard these days. All right, we're gonna flip it up. Hey guys, this is Barn Geek here. If you guys have a sawmill and you have a need for plans to build a building like this, go to our website at barngeek.com, and we've got a bunch of plans there. We've got hardware kits where you can build a timber frame structure without learning how to do mortise and tenon. I love mortise and tenon, but just don't have time to do that. So hardware kits available there, plans available, cut lists. Go to barngeek.com and we'll catch you over there. Back to the video. Thanks.
So we'll flip it up and do 8 inches.
Wow. Look at that. It's just amazing that that came out of that old 100-year-old timber. Look at that green. That's just gorgeous.
How come it's so much more yellow than the stuff that we use normally?
Well, because this is a lot of heart. So this is actually probably all heartwood. And, you know, the stuff we use now, you know, because this was such a big timber, this was the core, and being all heartwood, it, you can see the rings on the butt here. Being as big a timber as it is, this is all heartwood, and the heartwood is darker, always darker, no matter what kind of timber you have. Now, walnut is most pronounced on walnut, but yeah, it's gorgeous, solid timber. You can't ask for anything better than that. All out of that old Kellogg elevator in Carson City, Michigan. So, stuff that nobody wanted, except for me. And that's a nice piece of timber right there. Beautiful. That old graffiti covered timber turned into that. So, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Catch you on the next video.